to give you blessings and ask for His mercy. And if you're reading the Qur'an, and if any verse known as the sajda talawat, verse in where you have to do sajda, at that time you should stop reading and do the sajda as soon as possible. Furthermore, some verses, it's preferable to repeat the verses as many times as possible. And lastly, you should try and remember, do hifz of as much portion of the Qur'an as you can. And one important thing which is rather a fard, all the others are preferred, is that before reading the Qur'an, you should seek refuge from Satan, the accursed, with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah says in the Qur'an in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 98, that before reading the Qur'an, say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the accursed. And when you are reciting any surah from the beginning, you should recite the first verse or the beginning of it, that is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Because every surah of the Qur'an begins with the formula Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, except for Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9.